Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 3008 GT line. This car comes with a lovely specification. Not only have you got the fantastic automatic gearbox, you've got satellite navigation, front and rear parking aids including a rear colour camera, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone along with a wireless charging plate and DAB digital radio. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. Howards are happy to tailor your experience with us depending on your current requirements, whether that be a virtual appointment using our Howard's Click and Collect service or our Howard's Home Delivery, or if you would prefer, we still have the traditional appointments to come in and view and drive a car. We look forward to hearing from you shortly. Thank you very much and have a good day.